going to show you 4 tools to increase the conversion rate of your sales page. So let's just jump on my computer and I will show you the tool that I use. So what should you do to increase the conversion rate of your sales page or your website? First of all, add this messenger bot here to make sure that people can contact you, reach out to you if they have any inquiries regarding your products. Number 2 will be to have this pop-up social proof here, so as people can see in real time who is purchasing your website. It just increases the trust. Okay. Next step is have this is the website to have the social proof here. Okay, so it's called Pro Tools. I'm going to link the link below. And the other thing will be to have this countdown timer on the top header of your website. So what I use is Yeps.io. It's free and you can use it whenever. It's so easy to customize. Like, just see how you can change the color, change the placement. If you want it on the bottom of your sales page or your website, just put it like this and you'll be good to go. And then it's really integrated really easily with Squarespace. That's what I use when I'm launching a promotion. It really increases your conversion rate. The last thing will be to hide the footer and header of your sales page if you're selling digital products or anything like that. So I have a code on how to do it and also a video that I will link down below. So yes, that's it for this video. See you guys later.